When you see special doors in a home, you notice it right away. A 12-foot tall floor-to-ceiling door makes a major difference compared to a regular door that is available on the market.
A big part of what makes a DAYORIS door so sought after is that they have the fine Italian minimalistic design that is required for today's luxury modern home design.
Our clients come from all walks of life. They have some sort of particular style that they're looking for. And we're able to either match it by what we have, and sometimes we're able to go a little bit more custom and make sure that the design intent is met.
Our clients are very well attuned to what's out there. They understand what fine furnishings are, and they want special things.